Out harvesting tomatoes in Big Mama's garden. I had to tie up some of my long tomato vines that's growing. I already had a few tied up. I had to come back out here and get some string and tie some more up. They're growing so tall. This one here. Gotta tie you up. Got you all tied up. Hang on in here and continue to grow. Look, I see some of your blooms coming out. Grow me some more tomatoes. Look over here. 1 week ago I planted these green beans and yellow wax beans and cucumbers. And look at them, they already have sprouted out. Germinated good. Okay. Second round. I'll grow some more cucumbers and beans. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take this squash on and zucchini on up. They're not making it. But I do see one of my zucchinis that I replanted is coming in. I don't think you're gonna produce any more this season. I'm gonna have to take you up. I see some flowers blooming on you. Like they all the male. I don't see any of the female producing any of the squash and zucchini. And this one here has died out. The sun has really killed a lot of the plants out here. But I see one's coming back. Okay, come on, grow big and produce some zucchini and squash for us. Look over here, my cucumber that I mistakenly planted over here with my bell peppers has a cucumber. Look at you. Boy, these pickling cucumbers really grow fast. I see a lot of blooms. Okay, I'm gonna let you get a little bit bigger. I'm gonna come back and get you. Look at y'all, all of those blooms. Got cucumbers growing over here. Bell peppers. Look at all this basil. A lot of basil. Okay, bell pepper. Look at you. Look at you. Okay. Harvest you today. Okay. Over here. Some tomatoes, Creole tomatoes that I'm gonna go ahead and take off the vine. I want everything to eat them up. Take them off while they blushing a little bit and still green. And let them continue to grow inside. Because this one here didn't make it. Go ahead and pull y'all on off. Bring y'all inside. Okay, I got a nice harvest of cherry tomatoes and Creole tomatoes today. Not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my Creole tomatoes and let them continue to ripen inside the house. Fear of them getting eat up by the bugs. I'm gonna bring them on inside with a nice harvest of cherry tomatoes and Creole tomatoes from Big Mama's garden.